Hello everybody, today is Wednesday, November 9th. It's 3:56 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. It's just 4 minutes before the regular session close, and want to bring you today's video. First I'll bring over the time and sales. The E-mini S&P trading at 2159.50. Before I begin, first the required disclaimer. Okay, quite an interesting period of events that occurred due to the election. So first, I want to bring over a chart. So I actually sent this out on our Twitter account last night. This was last night. As I live in Hawaii, 9 p.m. is 3 a.m. So I was watching the election results, and I made this little chart here. And so this is November 1st right here. And this is when WikiLeaks began releasing a number of emails, and that the FBI announced it was reopening its case into the Clinton emails. And of course, the market was declining on that news. And then Comey came out and said that the position would be, Comey, the FBI director, came out and said the position would be unchanged, and the markets rallied on that news. And then this is election day here, November 8th, and when it became apparent that Donald Trump was winning, as he began to show strength, the markets dropped quite a lot. They had a high of, so here's the actual 2500 tick chart, and the market had resistance at this 2130 area, and so here's the beginning of the decline, and the markets came all the way back up to 2153 and then declined to 2028.50, and trading was actually halted, and so it couldn't go any lower, and that was the bottom. And then the markets fully recovered and actually made a higher high to 2167. So this is tremendous volatility, swings of 125 or 30 points in the E-mini S&P. So this was from last night's low and the ensuing rally today. So first up is the E-mini S&P on a 1-minute line break chart, and this kind of chart can do really well in this extreme volatility. Anyway, we did 2,000 for the day. Just want to remind everybody this is real-time simulation. We did 2,000 for the day on this chart, and see some of the trades here. This was pretty much a 20-point move, went long at 2124.50 and covered at 52.75, so just shy of 20 points on this trade. And then we had a loser and a winner and 3 losers back to back, and then this really nice long trade at the end put us over the 2,000 mark. Okay, since I started showing the regular 3-range chart, it's been pretty consistent. It starts trading at 1029, so started off with a loser, number of trades here kind of up and down, and it drew down as much as 600, and then it came back, actually drew down as much as 800, and it has a $1,000 loss limit actually. So our loss limit here is 1,000, so it came just shy of our loss limit, and then rallied back really strong with these winning trades here. Some really big winners in these extended moves, and actually hit our goal of 1,000 and had 2 ticks slippage at the end. So quite a remarkable performance and comeback. This 3-range chart's been pretty good. Okay, next up is the crude oil on the 500 tick chart, and we've seen this chart quite a bit. We had 2 losers at the open. This drew down about $400 and then came back with a really sensational long trade that was good for 100 ticks. Our entry here at 44.72 and exit at 45.71. That's 99 ticks in that trade. Our first contract comes off at 40 ticks. So we had that, and then a couple of small losers here and a winner, and that put us up to 1150 for the day. Okay, the E-mini S&P on the Super Renko 12 tick only did 250 for the day. It had an equity high that was a little better than this, but a modest performance here. Okay, there was a few positions that got hung up and I wasn't able to close them, so I just wanted to bring over the control center here. The bonds did 44.37, the gold up 44.80, the FDAX up 6,200, and then a couple of positions that I wasn't able to manage. Somewhere along the line in the volatility, a couple of trades got hung, and these positions didn't get to be closed, but they were on the right side of the market, and the profits ran up really high. So once again, this is real-time simulation. This is not real money here. Anyway, just wanted to show that. And we'll come back to our 500 tick chart with this really nice 100 tick trade. That's all for today's video. If you'd like to find out more, please visit our website or feel free to send us an email to systems@bluewavetrading.com. Thank you for watching today.